Welcome to DIACC's Digital Trust Stories. These stories explain the benefits of digital trust and verification. Meet Mike. Mike runs a successful electrical installation company with over 100 employees. Mike must verify that anyone on his site has the right qualifications and certifications during the hiring process. Checking physical documents is a slow process that often takes up too much time in his day. One of Mike's tech-savvy employees suggested he start using digital trust and verification to make the hiring process simpler and more efficient. Intrigued, Mike decides to give it a try. Overcoming initial hesitations. Mike isn't comfortable working with computers. With the help of a local company specializing in digital trust, verification, and credentials, they created a user-friendly service where applicants and current employees could easily upload and store their certifications and licenses online. Individuals upload their verified documents into their profiles, which becomes an accessible source of information that's secure and privacy-respecting. How it works. Mike uses this service to quickly verify the digital credentials of new hires or current employees. Instead of checking physical paperwork, Mike can access applicant and employee information from the office or on the go. Mike quickly learned that this new system was making his work more manageable, giving him more time to focus on customer relations and expanding his business. Mike's service provider designed the service to cross-check that documents came from a legitimate institution. This design feature gave Mike confidence, knowing the company would only hire qualified workers on his job sites, boosting safety and compliance. The benefits. More business meant he could hire more employees and even provide a wage above market rate, increasing staff retention. Despite being apprehensive at first, Mike's commitment to incorporate a digital trust and verification system into his company operations was a winning decision that benefited his company and his community. Connect with us to learn more about the benefits of digital trust and verification. We put people, privacy, and security at the center of digital trust.